Howdy y'all, Robert from Texas here. So what are the benefits of being an affiliate marketer? Honestly, I think the best part is that you don't have to make your own product and that there is no inventory to worry about. And you don't have to worry about shipping and delivery. And you don't have to even call a manufacturer or deal with shipping agents or anything like that. It's just you being the in-between person. So being an affiliate marketer is actually quite easy because those are all the things that the company that you are promoting is going to take care of. They're going to take care of all the customer service. They're going to take care of all the shipping, all the inventory problems, all that kind of stuff. And that's the company's responsibility. And all you're responsible for is customers, getting new customers, being the in-between person. So it's actually quite easy to start with affiliate marketing because when you find a company that offers an affiliate program, you can sign up and it's free. And all you're going to get is an account number and a link to their website. That's one of the steps you need to get started with affiliate marketing. Just find a company, and there's lots of companies out there. A company that offers an affiliate program. Another thing that's really cool with affiliate marketing is that, again, there are a lot of products and services out there that are offering affiliate programs that you get to promote. So you're not stuck to just one product or service. There are tons and tons of them that you can actually promote, which means that you can earn money from multiple sources, multiple different products. But you can start with just that one product, just so they can kind of learn the process, learn the ropes of how the system works. And it's not hard. So the startup process for affiliate marketing is easy. Again, it's just finding that company that has that affiliate program and signing up because it's free. And then you have to promote that product. Now you're promoting that product through all the different types of platforms out there that are available on the internet. This is the chance where you start to learn about driving traffic, building up your customer base, finding the people that are interested in those products and services. You get to build up your audience in a sense. So then, as you keep growing, your income potential really can be quite limitless because you could get to a point where you start promoting hundreds and hundreds of products because there's hundreds and hundreds of companies out there that offer affiliate programs. Another thing that's cool with affiliate marketing is that there is no certificate or license to be an affiliate marketer. No prior experience needed, really. And if you have just basic computer skills, this is something that you can handle. Because if you know how to send email, navigate through a website, then this is something that you can do. Because all you're really kind of doing with a computer is just clicking and pointing, point and click. You don't have to be a computer wizard, honestly. But here are some things that you do need. Okay? You need to be determined. And you need to be willing to learn new things. And have lots of patience. This is not a get-rich-quick business. It's not an overnight sensation type of thing. It's going to take time. It's just kind of like any business out there. It takes time to build up. It's going to take a long time maybe. And we're in this for the long run. So patience, real patience is necessary. Kind of crucial actually. Patience is crucial. Now another thing is that you also have to take action on what you learn. A lot of times we learn these things, we know what to do, but we don't do them. Maybe it's a fear issue. So that's one thing we're going to learn is how to get out of our comfort zone. Because we're going to learn new things and we have to be comfortable learning these things. Because maybe in your day job or your previous jobs, you already knew what was up. You knew how to perform well at your job. And this is something entirely brand new to you. So you have to be flexible enough to be willing to learn these new skills, new things to do with the computer, how to think a little bit differently. And it's going to take action. Don't get stuck by analyzing everything. Remember to get out of that comfort zone of yours. Another benefit of being an affiliate marketer is that really there's low startup cost to starting affiliate marketing because the affiliate marketing account number from the companies that are offering these programs is free. You don't have to pay for them. You just sign up and they give you a link and they give you an account number. And you'll need a smartphone, and hopefully you already have one. You'll also need to learn how to use YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. But those are also free, and those programs, those websites are just click and point as well. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, these are the resources that you're going to use to help you drive traffic. By driving traffic, I mean getting new customers to those companies that are offering the products and services that they're looking for, that the customers are looking for. And lastly, probably, is that you're going to have a website. And to have your own domain really is not expensive at all. And if you need help building a website, there's plenty of resources out there too. It's not that difficult, believe me. If I can do it, you guys can do it. And you can start out slow. And then as you keep going, you can grow the company. Start promoting more and more products and watch yourself grow into a bigger affiliate marketer, if you will. So that's what's cool about affiliate marketing, is that you don't have to have like a physical store. There's no rent to pay. There's no franchise fees or anything of the sort. It's just you and your computer and basic computer skills. So that's it, guys. Those are just some real basic benefits of having your own affiliate marketing company or being your own affiliate marketer. All right, you guys, I hope you're all having a good day, and we'll chat later, okay? Bye for now.